Assalamu alaikum, student of grade 8 Cambridge. I hope you're all fine, feeling well. I hope you're having good time at your home. Last time we had discussed the multiple if, and in this class we are going to study about the AND operation, OR operation, and if and operation together. All right. So basically, this is the MS Excel software, and I have written the marks of the students Ali, Usman, Waqas, Amir, Roman. So there are 5 students, and today we are going to do the AND operation, OR operation, then the if and AND operation. Okay, let's discuss the first one, the AND operation. You can use the AND operation and functions to check if all the condition group are met. If the condition doesn't match, it means that it is false. And you have to write, you have to give the command to the computer, and then it will show you the condition, if the condition of AND is true or false. Let's discuss the first one, and let's start with the first one. So here it is. You have to click here on the AND operation, and you have to go to the formula option, and here now it is the logical operation. So that's why we have to go in logical operation. Now first of all, we have to do the AND operation. Okay, now the first one. Okay, so I have to write the passing marks with it. Okay, I have to write the passing marks with it, either it is true or not. Let's that B2 must be greater than 60. So if it is greater than 60, then what will happen? It will true. And if C2 must be greater than 60, so what will happen if I enter these two commands? It will give false. False means that you are fail. Like if your passing marks is 60, and like in some of the national like CSS exam or any other your CIA exam, if you fail in one subject, it means that you are fail in all subject. This will happen. The AND operation is the same, that if you fail in one subject, then it will give you the false, mean you are fail in all. So this is the basically most common example of the AND operation. Now let's go back for the second one. Let's check the condition of Usman, and now let's okay, the first one is B3 must be greater than 60, and the second logical function, it must be greater than, it must be greater than 60. Okay, so the command is true, he is passed, he have numbers more than 60, so he has cleared the exams, he is passed. Now same we can do for all, as I told you, the autofill option, it will do the operation for all. Okay, so it's showing us that only Ruman and Usman, these two are passed and other are failed. Now in AND operation, if one condition is false, it means the result will come false. And the AND operation is basically opposite to the AND operation. So if the student is passed in one exam, it means he is passed in all exam. Like we start from here, sorry, logical, and we have to select OR operation. In OR operation, if must be greater than 60, and the second one, it must be greater than 60. So one is true, one is false. So what will happen if I enter this? It is true. It means if one student is passed in one of the exam, it means that he is passed in all exam. So this is the basic difference between the and OR operation, that if one student is passed, like let's do one more. Let's Abdullah. Okay, Abdullah has got 59. Okay, so he's false because he's failed in both subject, and he's false because he's failed in one subject. So this what will happen if one student we are talking about the AND operation. If one student is failed in 8 subject, it means he is failed in all subject. But in OR operation, if one student is passed in one of the 8 subject, it means he is passed in all subject. That is the basic, you can say requirement of AND and OR operation. Now last we have to do and if together. You have to write here, and before starting you have to give is equal to, all right, as we all know, is equal to, and then what will happen, we have to write if because we are doing the if operation, and one command, two command, one for if and one for and operation. Okay, sorry, one for if, one for and. Okay, I have, okay. And then what will happen, I have to write the like this. Okay, it's done. It must be greater than, okay, it must be greater than or equal to 60. And what will happen, C3 with both subject, we have to give the command from both subject. It also must be greater than or is equal to 60. All right, so if he get 59 marks, then he is failed. If he gets 60 or more than 60, then he is passed. Okay, we have opened two bracket, so we have to close two bracket. All right, now what is the first condition? First condition of if is pass, and what is the second condition? Second condition is fail. Okay, so we have opened uh, 1 2 3 3 brackets, and we have closed 1 2, and there is one more bracket remaining, so we have to give one more bracket, and that's all. He is failed because he has got 59 marks in one subject. All right, so that's why he is failed, and we can do the autofill option. Okay, okay, so yes, here it is. Here's the answer. So only two students passed, and the rest of the four students failed in the subject. So that's how you do your or and if operation. So it's very simple. It's not very difficult. It's very simple. You can do any type of operation. I have written only oral test and written test. You can write math, chemistry, bio, physics, computer, whatever you want to write, and you can take out the AND operation, and you can do the OR operation and if and together. So that's how you do. I hope this lesson is clear to you all. Even if you have got any queries, then you can ask directly to me or your coordinators, and I will answer in the next class. Alright, see you. Allah Hafiz.